Ang dami kasing agent na nagsasabi na marami naman silang inquiries pero hindi sila maka-close ng deal. Anong sa tingin mo yung talagang problema?
Actually with that, it's a very, very common stuff, no? Yung ang dami inquiries pero wala nang close na deal. Kasi when closing a lead online, we have 3 factors to consider. Number 1 is leads going from ads. Number 2 is sales process, which is catered by sales team. And number 3, market. So sa tatlong yan, we have different section. Number 1, ads. Ito yung cater ng mag-marketer or yung mag-a-ad sa inyo. Number 2, sales process. Ito yung gagawin ng mga agents naman natin. And number 3, market. So nangyayari is minsan okay naman si leads, okay naman si sales process, pero minsan hindi okay si market.
Okay.
Pwede may ganon.
Got.
Oo. Pwede rin mangyari
Gets.
na okay si market, okay si sales process, pangat yung lead. Hindi rin tutuloy. On the other hand, na okay si leads, okay si market, pero yung closing hindi okay.
Hindi, oo. Parang na-close na sana, sayang.
Exactly.
Pero hindi nasagot si agent.
Oo. So, sa ads pa lang, ang dami na nangyayari.
Oo, tama.
Maybe hindi okay yung setup mo, hindi okay yung targeting mo, hindi okay yung videos and images mo. Or rather, baka okay naman yung images mo, targeting mo, pero mali yung pag-cater mo. Sa online kasi, even the first click pa lang, first reply mo pa lang, it's already closing. Kasi especially when you're selling high-end properties, you should check the setup, the ads,
Okay.
especially the closing. Closing is very crucial. On my end nga, 30% lang yung ads, 70% is closing every now and then. Paano ka mag-answer ng lead, paano ka mag-cater, paano ka mag-alaga.